Hi students, welcome back to the Google Classroom of Class 10 Geography Chapter 7 Lifelines of National Economy. I hope all of you have studied the previous topics of this chapter very well and you all performed very well in your test paper.
Children, you have learnt about railway transport network in the previous class. Today, we would focus on another important transport network, that is pipelines. Have you heard about this pipeline transport network?
Pipeline transport network is the new arrival in the transportation map of India. In the past, these were used to transport water to industries and cities. But nowadays, these are used for transporting crude oil, petroleum products, and natural gas from the oil and natural gas fields to the refineries to the fertilizer industries and big thermal power plants.
Pipeline transport network is a new arrival on transportation map of India. These pipelines are used for transporting crude oil, petroleum products, and natural gas from oil and natural gas fields to refineries, fertilizer factories, and big thermal power plants. Solids can also be transported through pipeline when converted into slurry. The far inland locations of refineries like Barauni, Mathura, Panipat, and gas-based fertilizer plant could be thought of only because of pipelines. Children, what are the advantages of pipeline transport? Transportation through pipelines rules out delay and transportation loss. Many fertilizer plants and thermal power stations are benefited by the supply of gas through pipelines. Though the initial cost of laying pipelines is high, but running cost is very low. Very important point. The initial cost of laying pipelines is very high, but the running cost is very low compared to all other means of transportation. Regular supply maintains continuous supply of gas and oil. All terrain connectivity. Pipes can be laid through difficult terrain as well as under sea. Decentralization of industry. Far inland locations of refineries like Barauni, Mathura, Panipat, etc. could be thought of only because of this pipeline transport. Balanced regional development. So these are the advantages of pipeline transport. This is very important question. So study well the advantages of pipeline transport. There are three important networks of pipeline transportation in our country. First one from Upper Assam to Kanpur. Then second one from Salaya to Jalandhar. Then third one Hazira in Gujarat connects Jagadishpur in Uttar Pradesh via Vijaypur in Madhya Pradesh, HVJ. Then first one, Upper Assam to Kanpur via Guwahati, Barauni and Allahabad. Branches from Barauni to Haldia via Rajband, Rajband to Maurigram and Guwahati to Siliguri. Then second one, Salaya via Gujarat to Jalandhar in Punjab via Viramgam, Mathura, Delhi and Sonipat. It has branches to connect Kaili near Vadodara, Gujarat and Chakashu and other places. Third one is HVJ in 1986. HVJ means Hazira Vijaypur Jagadishpur. This is India's first cross state gas pipeline, 1700 km. Gas pipeline from Hazira in Gujarat connects Jagadishpur in UP via Vijaypur in MP. It has branches to Kota in Rajasthan, Shahjahanpur, Sablala and other places in UP. What are the disadvantages of this pipeline? Leak detection cannot be detected easily. Then high installation cost, underground or underwater. Then high maintenance cost. This is also because of underground or underwater, and rigidity in terms of terrain and space. So these are the 4 disadvantages of pipeline transport. First and second one, this first and second one, surface pipeline. Then third one, underground pipeline. This is the underground pipeline. And the fourth one is sea pipelines. And the fifth one is undersea pipeline. So these are the pictures of different types of pipelines. First and second one, surface pipeline above the ground. Then third one, underground pipeline. Then fourth one, sea pipelines. And fifth one, undersea pipelines.
So children, let us conclude today's session by recollecting all the concepts. Pipeline transport network is a new arrival on the transportation map of India. In the past, these were used to transport water to cities and industries. Now, these are used for transporting crude oil, petroleum products, and natural gas from oil and natural gas fields to refineries, fertilizer factories, and big thermal power plants. What is the main disadvantage of this pipeline transport network? The initial cost of laying pipelines is very high compared to all other means of transport. So children, please note that the corresponding URL, notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with this video. Make use of all these available resources, study well and attend the test paper without fail. Thank you.